So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic light waves. So guys, this video will be about dispersion of white light. So in short, stay to the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a rainbow is formed when sunlight is incident on water droplets suspended in the air due to A. Dispersion, B. Refraction, C. Interference, D. Diffraction. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's dispersion. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 2. It says, when white light is incident on a glass prism, the spectrum produced on a screen placed beyond the prism is due to A. Refraction, B. Reflection, C. Polarization, D. Diffraction. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's refraction. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following pairs of light rays shows the widest separation in the spectrum of white light? We have A. Orange and indigo, B. Red and yellow, C. Green and blue, D. Blue and violet. So guys, if we check the spectrum of white light, we are going to have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So guys, if we consider all these colors arranged linearly, we are going to notice that out of all the options here, the most widely separated is orange and indigo. And that's it for this question. Option A is the answer. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, when white light passes through a triangular prism, there is dispersion because of A. the difference of light wave in glass, B. diffraction of light, C. the interference of light waves in glass, D. polarization of light. So guys, the reason why there is dispersion when white light passes through a triangular prism is because of the difference of light wave in glass, and that's option A here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, complementary colors are those which A. add up to produce white light, B. have the same wavelength, C. have the same refractive index, D. add up to produce black light. So guys, complementary colors add up to produce white light, and that's option A here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So question number 6 here says, which of the following sets of colored lights is/are secondary colors? We have I, red, blue, and green, II, blue, cyan, and magenta, III, green, magenta, and yellow, IV, yellow, cyan, and magenta. So guys, you'll notice that out of all the options here, we will have at least one primary color in each apart from IV. So that's option B here. IV has no primary color. They are all secondary colors: yellow, cyan, and magenta. So that's it for this question. For option I, red is actually a primary color, blue is a primary color, and green is also a primary color. So for II, blue is a primary color. So for III, green is also a primary color. But for IV here, we have all secondary colors. So option B here is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 7. It says, dispersion of white light by glass prism occurs because A. white light consists of a mixture of 7 different colors, B. refractive index of glass is different for each constituent for each color. C. The spread of each color of light in for each other color. And D. Spread of each color of light in the glass is proportional to the angle of refractive index of glass. So guys, that's it for this question. Option D here is the answer. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 8. It says, rainbow formation is a natural phenomenon illustrating that white light A splits into its constituent color before rainfall, B splits into 3 components after rainfall, C is dispersed by glass prism, and D is dispersed into its constituent color by raindrops. So guys, option D is the answer to this question. White light is dispersed into its constituent color by raindrops. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 9 here. It says, red light travels faster than blue light when both of them pass through a glass prism because the A, red light, is more intense than the blue light. B, refractive index of blue light is greater than that of red light. C, refractive index of red light is greater than that of blue light. And D, blue light is more intense than the red light. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. Refractive index of blue light is greater than that of the red light. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So that's question number 10 here. It says, the invisible part of the spectrum of white light consists of the following colors: A, infrared, ultraviolet, and blue only. B, indigo and green only. C, ultraviolet and infrared only. And D, red, orange, and yellow only. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, ultraviolet and infrared only. So the visible light is actually bound by these two waves. That's the ultraviolet light and the infrared light at both sides. So that's it for this question. Option C is the answer to this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.